Welcome to Mind Mentor. In this video, we will discuss about nucleic acids. These are essential biomolecules in living organisms that play a critical role in the storage, transmission, and expression of genetic information. They are made up of long chains of nucleotides, which are the building blocks of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. Nucleic acids have several important biological functions, and I'll explain these functions in detail. 1. Storage of genetic information. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is primarily responsible for storing the genetic information in cells. This genetic code contains instructions for the development, functioning, and maintenance of an organism. In eukaryotic organisms, DNA is primarily located in the cell nucleus. 2. Transmission of genetic information. DNA serves as a template for the synthesis of RNA through a process called transcription. During transcription, a complementary RNA molecule is synthesized from a specific region of DNA. This RNA, known as messenger RNA, mRNA, carries the genetic code from the nucleus to the cytoplasm, where it can be used for protein synthesis. 3. Protein synthesis. RNA, particularly mRNA, is responsible for the translation of genetic information into proteins. This process is called translation and takes place in the ribosomes of the cell. Ribosomes read the sequence of nucleotides in mRNA and assemble amino acids in the correct order to form proteins. Or regulation of gene expression. Nucleic acids, especially RNA, play a crucial role in regulating gene expression. Various types of RNA molecules such as microRNAs, miRNAs, and small interfering RNAs, siRNAs, can control the activity of specific genes by targeting their mRNA and preventing their translation into proteins. This process is known as post-transcriptional gene silencing. 5. DNA replication. Before a cell divides, it must duplicate its DNA to ensure that the daughter cells have a complete set of genetic information. DNA replication is a highly precise process during which the two strands of the DNA molecule separate, and each serves as a template for the synthesis of a new complementary strand, resulting in two identical DNA molecules. 6. Repair and maintenance. Nucleic acids also play a role in DNA repair and maintenance. Cells have mechanisms to correct errors and mutations that can occur in the DNA sequence due to various factors like radiation, chemicals, or replication mistakes. Specific enzymes and proteins are involved in these repair processes. 7. Energy transfer. Nucleotides, which make up nucleic acids, are involved in various energy transfer processes in the cell. For example, adenosine triphosphate, ATP, is a nucleotide that serves as the primary energy currency of cells, providing the energy needed for various cellular processes. In summary, nucleic acids are central to the functioning of all living organisms. They store and transmit genetic information, regulate gene expression, and play critical roles in DNA replication, repair, and maintenance. Additionally, they are involved in energy transfer within the cell. These functions collectively ensure the survival, growth, and reproduction of living organisms. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, Mind Mentor.